Najua wengi hawajuangi actually nani alianzisha Manchester United, but the guy is Matt Busby, na he was actually the then uh, founder mwenye ali bring together those young talented coaches, ndo akaform team, na they were called Busby Babes. Actually that was the nickname when Manchester United players, 8 of them died from that airplane crash in Munich, German, so West German actually, so in the year 1958. And from there, remember, United went ahead and won European trophies. Like they really became great. So ni hiyo story ya hao wachezaji nane, actually they are usually remembered every time, na most of people actually don't know that sometimes unaonanga, then the game is about to start, then unaona coach and people are just coming and laying flowers up or Old Trafford. It's in memory of those people, like it's done every year they have to remember those players, because it was really a tragic accident, and it was almost bringing the team down, but they were strong to rise up and wakaanza tena upya. Yes.